Hey there everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And today, the lucky contestant that got this look, you. Boop. Hello my Slaybaes, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Makeuptwinn, and thanks a lot for stopping to my channel. I really appreciate it. Today we create this look right here. It's just the eyes that we are creating. Very mysterious. But yes, we create this bold blue look. I'm living for it. I know you are too. I'm not going to zoom in though because there's the suspense and the mystery there. But yes, if you're interested on how I got this look, then for sure to keep on watching. If not, you know the deal. Give me your ticket. Get off the train. You're holding us up. This is express route, okay? Thank you. All right, let's get ahead to the video. All right, so getting straight into it, my face is already beat. It's ready for a nighttime glam. I think this is the most dramatic my face has been, and I'm feeling it. If you think my face looks darker than my chest, you're not seeing things. That's because it is. I'm testing out new foundation, but look past it because I definitely have. So I had one of my wonderful subscribers recommend to me that I should do a blue smoky eye, so shout out to you. This is for you. Again, guys, if you have any looks that you want me to do, just let me know, and your girl won't let you down. I'm gonna be dibble dabbling with a bunch of different products to get the look that we wanted. So I guess getting straight to it, Jackie Ina actually recommended that if you really want a color to pop, that you should put black as the base. So I've never tested out before, but I'm gonna trust that she knows what she's talking about. So that's what we're gonna do today. Use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean. And again, that's just what it looks like. Super, super creamy. So I'm literally just gonna put that all over the lid and then just blend it on out. And for right now, it can be as messy as you want. It looks kind of like I have a black eye. It can be as messy as you want because we're going to be blending it out anyways. And I guess I'm just going to blend this out with a brush. Yeah, this does... I know what you're thinking. This looks weird. Why would I do this? I'm wondering the exact same thing. I'm hoping Jackie didn't let us down. All right, now getting into the Wonderlist palette that I used for my one brand tutorial. I'm gonna be taking this blue shade and I'm gonna pat that all over the lid. I'm just gonna use my finger though, because I just really like to get on in there. Okay, Jackie, you were right. If you're watching this, which you probably will never see this, I trusted you and you came through. This color doesn't play games. It's either all or nothing. There's no mind games with this one. And I am feeling this right now. I'm just gonna bring it on up kind of a bit just because the black's there. But this is really, 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 really pretty color. I don't know if you can tell, but I think this is a really pretty color. Now I'm just gonna blend it on out. You know when you're so into something that you forget to do the other thing? I feel like I do that on my eyes all the time, and then I just get lazy with the other eye because I couldn't be bothered with it, you know. So it's always the left side's always shittier because I'm just so over everything. You're gonna see in a second what I'm talking about, when you're gonna be like, okay, the right side does look better. You know when you're going out and you have a vision in your mind of how you want to look, and then when you're actually doing it, you're like, why? This is taking so long. Ugh. That's what I'm feeling right now in my head. I'm just like, quick and easy, quick and easy. Anyway, so now I'm going to be using the Tiggy Tigs Go-To palette, and I'm going to be taking that brown shade and I'm going to be working that on in the crease. Alright, so these are how the eyes are looking like after you blended it, but don't worry, we're going to be adding some more black on in there. I think right now though I'm just going to add some liner to really see what I need to do with the look, because I'm kind of just like, should I leave it? Should I add more? You know what I mean? I'm just kind of going with the flow. I hate when I lose shit, because then when I'm actually trying to find it, I get angry, and I'm probably, I half-assed through it somewhere, didn't care at the moment, and now I care, and I'm like, where is it? I can't be the only one who gets pissed off when you can't find something, and then when you're least expecting it, boom, it's right there in front of your face. I can't find my eyeliner that I want to use for this video, and instead of throwing shit, I think I'm gonna be the bigger person and use a different eyeliner. But if this turns out jaggy and wonky, it's because I got this shitty eyeliner. Anyways, it's not shitty, I think I'm just pissed. So anyways, using my Amuse Cosmetics liquid liner, and that's just what it's looking like. It's the one that I got from Shop Miss A. It's not bad. I haven't used this since then, so let's see. Now, if this turns out wonky and jaggy, I'm gonna cover that bad boy up with some lashes because I'm just over it. You're gonna be looking at my face, not my eyeliner. The most important question is, can I do the exact same thing on the other side? Probably not. Don't stab yourself in the eye. I don't recommend it. Oh shit, that hurt. Oh, don't cry. Mama never raised no bitch. Oh shit. Oh. Here is how we are looking after that freak accident. I'll zoom in on the eyes. As you can clearly see, the eyeliner is not even, the tails aren't even. I don't care, I'm over it. Add those bad boys up with some lashes. And today I'm gonna be using the Ardell Wispy lashes, and I got these at Walmart today for $4.57, I believe it was. I'm gonna pop these bad boys on and I will be right back. All right, I'm not even gonna lie to you, that took a lot longer than what I wanted to. If you knew how long it actually took, you probably would have just skipped the next video. I think right now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take the other Tiggy Tigs and I'm gonna go in with that black. And I'm just going to be using this is an eyeliner brush, but I'm just gonna be packing it on right over here and creating more dimension with it. Like packing it on in the crease. Now, as you can see, it's already looking way more dramatic, and now I'm just gonna go in with that brown again and dip all into that ever so gently. But I'm just gonna be taking it like right there. And now I'm just going to be blending that bad boy out. What we are looking like, I'm living for it. I think this looks bomb. So now what we're gonna do for our under eyes, I'm just gonna take the same NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil Black Bean and I'm gonna put that all in my waterline. I'm just gonna take Tiggy Tigs and work that brown all in the bottom. I'm just gonna be taking the other Tiggy Tigs palette and I'm just gonna be working on that black. And I'm gonna be taking that underneath the eye too because we are looking dramatic. I'm just gonna be using my L'Oreal Palace. Yes, I am saying Palace. I know it's Paris. I like to be different, okay? Get off my back. Anyways, I'm using my L'Oreal Palace Voluminous Miss Mango Rock because we're gonna rock ya. And I'm just gonna be putting that under my lower lash line. This is how we are looking after everything. I'm feeling very like pow pow, like rebellious. I'm feeling mysterious, like I'm feeling like very edgy right now. I think what we're gonna do though is we're gonna add a pop of color. I'm gonna add some gold into my inner tear duct. I forgot I had this Amuse eye palette in blues that I was supposed to do an eye look for. And I used a different blue. I'm gonna be using my Amuse bronzer palette and I'm gonna mix these two golds together and I'm just gonna plop that on in. I'm gonna try something right now and I have no idea if this is gonna make or break the look. I don't know if what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna regret it. I have no idea. I just feel like I kind of just want to try something a little extra right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a leap of faith and I'm going to try to use this Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. And I'm going to put that on top of the eyeliner, on top of the wing. I think it would look really nice if this looks well. But this is what it looks like. It's just very sparkly and I feel like that just looked really good. So I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Wish me luck. Yes, damn, yes. Whew, slam dunk. All Alright, so this is the final look. I think this looks bomb. I'm really here for it. This one lash though, it's kind of getting all wonky and doesn't want to stand to the lash. So look past it because I'm over it. I'm still like kind of like, all in all, I think this looks really good. I think the face really looks well with the look. It's very like, ooh, yes, 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 kind of look like you're gonna be, I know I say this a lot, but you're gonna be turning heads. So these are the eyes, very mysterious. I'll look down so you can see. That sparkle was a nice little addition in the end. That wasn't planned, but it's a nice little pop, so you're catching all the light. If you recreate this look or create some kind of look like this, please tag me in it. I want to repost it. I want everyone to see that our SLAYBAE'S come here to slay. Alright, please be sure, if you haven't already, like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Makeuptwinn. You know the deal. And I will see you in my next video. If you have any looks and styles that you want me to recreate or look, any products you want me to test out, just let me know down below in the comments or on Instagram. I already gave you my Insta. Pay attention, keep up, and I will see you in my next video. Later, guys. Take care. Hey there, my SLAYBAE'S, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello there. My name is SLAYBAE. It's not my that's not my name. Interested on how we got this. I feel like my nose is running. All right, so I'm gonna be dibble dabbling. I don't know if that's the word, but dibble dabbling. I'm dabbling with a whole bunch of other. I'm gonna be dibbling dabbling. Dibble dabble. Nip. Brown and maybe black to create some more dramatization. Dramatization, is that it? I think that's the word I want to say. How the eyes are looking like after everything. I'm feeling really rebellious. I'm feeling really like rebellious. I'm such an idiot. I'm gonna add a